Clogged arteries are usually caused by high blood pressure and high cholesterol levels. The main role of arteries is to transport oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the rest of the body, and they should be elastic, flexible, and strong. Yet, if clogged, they lead to serious health risks, including atherosclerosis, the major cause of cardiovascular disease, heart attacks, strokes, and peripheral vascular disease, strokes. The symptoms depend on their type, as follows. Carotid arteries. When you have clogged arteries in your brain, it is a condition called carotid artery disease. The plaque will block or narrow the carotid arteries, and signs of a stroke may be present. Symptoms include breathing problems, sudden weakness, confusion, severe headaches, loss of consciousness, blurry vision, trouble with speech, paralysis, trouble walking, dizziness, unexplained falls, and loss of coordination or balance. Coronary arteries. Coronary heart disease occurs when the arteries of the heart are clogged, and there is not enough blood to reach the heart. This causes shortness of breath, indigestion, chest pain, and squeezing the chest, jaw, neck, arms, shoulders, or back. Renal arteries. When the renal arteries are clogged, one develops chronic kidney disease, which reduces the function of the kidneys. In this case, a person does not experience any early symptoms. But as the issue aggravates, symptoms might include fatigue, appetite loss, concentration issues, numbness or itchiness, and swelling in the feet or hands. Peripheral arteries. Peripheral arterial disease occurs as a result of the blockage of narrowing of the arteries in the arms, legs, and pelvis, leading to pain and numbness. Dr. Axe explains. Arteriosclerosis is a disease of the arteries characterized by the deposition of plaques of fatty material on their inner walls. It refers to the hardening and thickening of the walls of the arteries. It is often said to be partly a function of aging. Over time, the smooth, elastic arterial cells become more fibrous and stiff. Calcium, cholesterol particles, and fatty acids accumulate on arterial walls and form a swelling called an atheroma. Atheroma is capable of bursting, causing blood clots, and leading to heart attacks or strokes. In populations that eat an unprocessed diet, far less inflammation-caused arteriosclerosis and heart disease are present. Certain risk factors can accelerate the process. Age, over age 45 for men, and over age 55 for women, a family history of heart disease, smoking, high blood pressure, high LDL, bad cholesterol and low HDL, good cholesterol, certain diseases, such as diabetes, being overweight or obese, lack of exercise, certain types of radiation therapy to the chest. Stress. Men are at a higher risk of coronary artery disease than are women. A woman's risk increases after menopause. Yet, there are plenty of natural foods that will help you naturally prevent clogged arteries. 1. Garlic. This natural antibiotic lowers blood pressure, prevents heart disease, and slows down atherosclerosis, lowering the risk of heart attacks and strokes. 2. Lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that strengthens the arteries, treats inflammation, lowers total cholesterol, increases high-density lipoprotein, HDL, and inhibits platelet aggregation. 3. Ginger. It has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties that protect against the accumulation of plaque in the arteries, and lower cholesterol, aortic atherosclerotic lesion areas, decreases triglycerides in the blood, LDL-linked fat peroxides, and LDL aggregation. 4. Pomegranate juice. It is a rich source of antioxidants and punicic acid that inhibit the accumulation of plaque in the arteries and thus lower the risk of atherosclerosis. 5. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease and atherosclerosis, lowers total and LDL cholesterol, as well as glucose and triglyceride levels. 6. Fermented cabbage. Its active compound known as 3,94-hydroxy-3,5-dimethoxyphenyl prevents the development of aortic atherosclerosis in high cholesterol-fed rabbits, while fermented cabbage is also able to degrade toxic chemicals, including bisphenol A and the insecticide chlorpyrifos. 7. Curcumin in turmeric. This popular spice has powerful cardioprotective effects, known for centuries, and it lowers LDL cholesterol and prevents the buildup of plaque in the arteries and artery damage due to carotid artery blockage. 8. Ground flaxseed. Ground flaxseed is full of fiber that supports healthy arteries, alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 acid that lowers blood pressure and fights inflammation, and decreases the risk of hypercholesterolemic atherosclerosis. 9. Cayenne pepper. Its active compound capsaicin lowers LDL cholesterol in the blood and reduces the risk of atherosclerosis and pulmonary artery hypertension. 10. Sesame seed. It will help you to prevent blocked arteries, lower cholesterol, inhibit atherosclerosis lesion formation, and reduce triglycerides and LDL cholesterol levels.